PHY101 Physics Final Term Preparation by Web Mentor Magic. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Web Mentor Magic. इस वीडियो में मैं PHY101 फाइनल टर्म की प्रिपरेशन के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs शेयर करूंगा, जो आपके पेपर को सॉल्व करने में मददगार होंगे। साथ ही मैं कुछ यूजफुल टिप्स भी दूंगा, जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और बेहतर बनाएंगे। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले जरूर इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, ताकि आपको ऐसी हेल्पफुल वीडियोस रेगुलरली मिलती रहें। चलें, बिना टाइम जाया किए शुरू करते हैं। The smallest particle of any chemical element that can exist by itself and yet retain the qualities that distinguish it as that element is. Options: A, an electron, B, a proton, C, a neutron, D, an atom. Correct answer: E, a molecule. A farad is the same as A. Options: a JV, correct answer, B, VJC, CVD, VCE, NC. 1 Weber is the same as. Options: A, 1 volt per second, B, 1 Tesla per second, C, 1 Tesla per meter, D, 1 Tesla times meter squared. Correct answer. Coherent sources of light mean. Options: A, they must have same speeds, B, they must have same frequency, C, they must have same amplitude, D, they must have fixed phase relative to each other. Correct answer. Room temperature is about 20 degrees on the. Options: A, Kelvin scale, B, Celsius scale. Correct answer. C, Fahrenheit scale, D, absolute scale, E, C major scale. The appearance of color in the thin film is due to. Options: A, interference. Correct answer. When you stand in front of a plane mirror, your image is. Options: A, real, erect, and smaller than you, B, real, erect, and the same size as you, and the same size as you, C, virtual, erect, and smaller than you, D, virtual, erect, and the same size as you. Correct answer. In a photoelectric effect experiment at a frequency above cutoff, the number of electrons ejected is proportional to. Options: A, their kinetic energy, B, their potential energy, C, the work function, D, the frequency of the incident light, E, the number of photons that hit the sample. Correct answer. In a photoelectric effect experiment at a frequency above cutoff, the stopping potential is proportional to. Options: A, the energy of the least energetic electron before it is ejected, B, the energy of the least energetic electron after it is ejected, C, the energy of the most energetic electron before it is ejected, D, the energy of the most energetic electron after it is ejected. Correct answer. E, the electron potential energy at the surface of the sample. The units of magnetic dipole moment are. Options: A, ampere, B, ampere meter, C, ampere meter squared. Correct answer. D, ampere per meter at 100 Hz using an inductance of 2.5 henries. We also need a capacitance of. Options: A, 1 farad, B, 1 millifarad, C, 1 microfarad, D, 100 microfarads. Correct answer. An ideal gas expands into a vacuum in a rigid vessel. As a result, there is. Options: A, a change in entropy. Correct answer. B, an increase of pressure, C, a change in temperature, D, a decrease of internal energy. और आज के दौर में सिर्फ तालीम हासिल करना काफ़ी नहीं है, बल्कि स्किल्स सीखना भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है। तालीम हमें सोचने और समझने की सलाहियत देती है, जबकि स्किल्स हमें प्रैक्टिकल ज़िंदगी के मसाइल हल करने और अपने मकासद हासिल करने का तरीका सिखाती हैं। अगर आप अपने करियर को नए होराइजन्स तक ले जाना चाहते हैं, तो इस फैसले को आज ही अपनाएं। 40 plus premium courses in one package. Crypto Mastery by Waqar Zaka. SEO by Tanveer Nandala. Amazon VA and Dropshipping by Shahid Anwar. Graphic Designing, 300 gigabytes plus resources. Ethical Hacking and Mobile Hacking. Web Development, HTML, CSS, JS, Python, and more. Freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. Animation, game and app development, forex trading, blogging and digital marketing. और बहुत कुछ. Original price $300 plus offer. Price सिर्फ 499 rupees. Skill सीखो और पैसे कमाओ. अभी रब्ता करें 030444752616. A step-down transformer is used to. Options: A. Increase the power. B. Decrease the power. C. Increase the voltage. D. Decrease the voltage. Correct answer. Which of the following electromagnetic radiations has photons with the greatest energy? Options: A. Blue light. B. Yellow light. C. X-rays. Correct answer. D. Radio waves. The Stern-Gerlach experiment makes use of options: A. A strong uniform magnetic field. B. A strong non-uniform magnetic field. Correct answer. C. A strong uniform electric field. D. A strong non-uniform electric field. Let Q denote charge, V denote potential difference, and U denote stored energy. Of these quantities, capacitors in series must have the same. Options: A. Q only, correct answer. B. V only, C. U only, D. Q, and U only. Let Q denote charge, V denote potential difference, and U denote stored energy. Of these quantities, capacitors in parallel must have the same. Options: A. Q only, B. V only, correct answer. C. U only, D. Q, and U only. The sum of the currents into a junction equals the sum of the currents out of the junction is a consequence of options: A. Newton's third law. B. Ohm's law. C. Newton's second law. D. Conservation of energy. E. Conservation of charge. Correct answer. The sum of the EMFs and potential differences around a closed loop equals 0 is a consequence of options: A. Newton's third law. B. Ohm's law. C. Newton's second law. D. Conservation of energy. E. Conservation of charge. Correct answer. Evidence for the wave nature of matter is options: A. Electron diffraction experiments of Davison and Germer. Correct answer. B. Thomson's measurement of EMC, Young's double slit experiment. D. The Compton effect. A conducting sphere with radius r is charged until the magnitude of the electric field just outside its surface is E. The electric potential of the sphere relative to the potential far away is options: A. 0, B. E over r. Correct answer. C. E over r squared. D. E r. The units of the Planck constant h are those of options: A. Energy. B. Power. C. Momentum. D. Angular momentum. Correct answer. E. Frequency. Which of the following is true of all virtual images? Options: A. They can be seen but not photographed. B. They are ephemeral. C. They are smaller than the objects. D. They are larger than the objects. E. None of the above. Correct answer. In constructing a thermometer, it is necessary to use a substance that options: A. Expands with rising temperature. B. Expands linearly with rising temperature. C. Will not freeze. D. Will not boil. E. Undergoes some change when heated or cooled. Correct answer. If the charge on a parallel plate capacitor is doubled, options: A. The capacitance is halved. B. The capacitance is doubled. C. The electric field is halved. D. The electric field is doubled. Correct answer. The wavelength of red light is 700 nanometers. Its frequency is options. A. 4.30 times 10 to the power of 4 Hertz. B. 4.30 times 10 to the power of 5 Hertz. Correct answer. C. 4.30 times 10 to the power of 3 Hertz. D. 4.30 times 10 to the power of 2 Hertz. The actual charges on its plates are options A, Q, QB, Q2, Q2, C, Q, Q. Correct answer. D, Q2, Q2. Both the units of the electric field are options AJ over C times M. Correct answer. BJ over C, CJ times CDJ over M. If two light waves are coherent, options A. Their amplitudes are the same. B. Their frequencies are the same. C. Their wavelengths are the same. D. Their phase difference is constant. Correct answer. In a photoelectric effect experiment at a frequency above cutoff, the stopping potential is proportional to options A. The energy of the least energetic electron before it is ejected. B. The energy of the least energetic electron after it is ejected. C. The energy of the most energetic electron before it is ejected. D. The energy of the most energetic electron after it is ejected. Correct answer. The quantum number m's is most closely associated with what property of the electron in an atom? Options. A. Magnitude of the orbital angular momentum. B. Energy. C. Z component of the spin angular momentum. Correct answer. D. Z component of the orbital angular momentum.